My name. I was struck with diabetes way back 8th of July 2022. For a month and I was hospitalized, discharged, and I got back home. By March, a sister came on my way and was able to send to me Rocenta supplement. And I have been taking that supplement all this while. Before then, I don't have acute cough, I don't have pain, I don't have weakness, especially in the morning. But all these are gone now for good. I do have good sleep now than before. Before then, I'll be lying down for some time before the sleep will finally come. But after Rocenta supplement, I begin to have my good sleep. The pain is gone. The cough is subdued. Everything is working fine. So I give God all the glory. That's okay.